Watch it. Let me see. Move. Let me see. Move out the way. Stop kicking it. I was trying to get a picture before it ran into the bushes.
It's right there.
That thing fast.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Elijah, I would like to get a picture of it. You
Oh,
know what? I'm walking away. I don't want to get stung.
Butterfly. No, I want to see her.
Don't touch the cactus.
I did it. We never saw a turtle on Florida before.
I just like to go in random places.
Wow. Ow.
I don't know what that noise is. Ooh, what's that? Oh, there's a grasshopper. Where did it go? Yeah, those flying grasshoppers.
Close your eyes and you'll hear it. Close your eyes.
Are you okay, Ronald? It was in on you?
Yeah, I don't think we should go over here.
Come on, guys.
Come on, let's go.
Elijah, go ahead. You go a little bit wild and then come back, okay? Don't go so far. What was that? The turtle's hiding in the grass somewhere because it's afraid.
Okay.
I don't know what's that noise.
That's a bird.
It's a bird.
This way, Lil. You got? Wow.
Mommy, if you brush your teeth, if you pay attention on your teeth, you don't have to brush it.
Yeah.
It's all
Instead of a
sparkly.
toothbrush, you can always use a rag.
A rag?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, so hot. My back is so wet.
Huh?
It's a mushroom?
That spider ain't fast.
No, you don't step on the spiders. This is where they live at. Look at those.
That was the what?
Those are mushrooms.
Ari, which? Mommy, I meant Ari.
That don't mean touch it.
Ari.
Come on, the storm is brewing. You can hear it. The lightning is getting closer.
I don't not want to get shocked by lightning. That's the point of it.
Yeah, there's a wide mountain. Circle to turn to a square.